Remember the first iPhone? It wasn't just the sleek hardware that captivated the world in 2007. It was the software, a revolutionary operating system then known simply as iPhone OS. This wasn't just a phone operating system, it was a mini computer in our pockets. Before iOS, phone software was clunky with tiny screens and limited functionality. Apple changed the game with a beautiful interface, smooth touch controls, and a focus on simplicity. Suddenly, checking email, browsing the web, and even listening to music on a phone became a joy. The first iPhone didn't have an app store yet, but the built-in apps were groundbreaking. Visual voicemail, a stunning photo browser, and Google Maps integration set a new standard for what a phone could do. The world had never seen anything like it. It wasn't perfect, of course. The original iPhone OS lacked some features we now take for granted, like copy and paste, but its impact was undeniable, ushering in the era of the smartphone as we know it. It's hard to imagine the tech landscape without it. In 2008, Apple released iPhone OS 2, which brought a game-changer, the App Store. What began as a curated selection of a few hundred apps quickly exploded into a phenomenon. Suddenly, your phone could be a flashlight, a game console, a musical instrument, or just about anything you could imagine. The App Store wasn't just about fun and games, it spawned entire industries and changed the way we work, communicate, and consume information. Developers flocked to the platform, eager to reach millions of users. With iOS 3 came cut, copy, and paste, a seemingly small addition that made a world of difference. Multimedia messaging, or MMS, allowed for picture and video messaging, forever changing how we share moments with friends and family. iOS 4 introduced multitasking, letting apps run in the background for the first time. This seemingly minor technical change made the iPhone feel even more powerful and capable. It could now truly live up to the computer in your pocket moniker. iOS 5, released in 2011, brought us Siri, Apple's voice assistant. While initially a bit rough around the edges, Siri hinted at a future where we could interact with our devices using natural language. It was the first step toward the seamless voice control we often take for granted today. iOS 7, in 2013, marked a major visual overhaul. Gone were the skeuomorphic designs that mimicked real-world objects. In their place was a flat, minimalist aesthetic with bright colors and simplified icons. This design language would go on to influence not just Apple products but the entire tech industry. The release of the iPhone 6 Plus in 2014 brought larger screen sizes, and iOS 8 adapted with features like landscape mode for more apps. This made iPhones even more versatile, blurring the lines between phone and tablet. Apple Pay, also introduced with iOS 8, began to change the way we pay for things. No more fumbling with wallets. Your phone was now your credit card, making transactions faster and more secure. In 2017, iOS 11 arrived alongside the revolutionary iPhone X, with its nearly bezel-less display. The home button was gone, replaced by a swipe-up gesture. This fundamental change in interaction felt natural and intuitive, paving the way for future iPhone designs. Face ID, introduced with the iPhone X, used sophisticated facial recognition to unlock your phone and authenticate payments. It was fast, secure, and remarkably accurate, setting a new standard for biometric security in the industry. Fast forward to 2025 and iOS has reached version 18. This latest iteration focuses on enhanced artificial intelligence, privacy, and seamless integration with Apple's growing ecosystem of devices. Imagine personalized health recommendations based on data from your Apple Watch, or augmented reality experiences that blend seamlessly with your physical surroundings. iOS has come a long way since its humble beginnings. From a simple but revolutionary mobile OS to a sophisticated platform that powers millions of apps and services, iOS continues to shape how we interact with technology. With each iteration, Apple pushes the boundaries of what a mobile operating system can be, and iOS 18 promises to be another giant leap forward.